Job nyangenya bomanga.
Yes.
Ngake wakire wairire.
Wairire bia.
Na wondo chenga ngake Nairobi.
Nairobi mbiere. Nya sawa to konyire to ikira bia. To wakara nya sambia mono.
Ngaki the last time to kwanete wakonete medical camp na kwa bere wo chikora chinga chitambe.
Yes.
Na igore medical camp ende jare ngoro no. So kwa bere consistent. Bantange bakwiranga kero kinde umuntu gokora ibintebi de fact yanda bale otanga umaithi nyange nya okora igasinga inju ichukura ono kura chitichiyo you are still on with the medical camp. What is your motivation?
Thank you. Unaja gitokora medical camp wetanga na korete was way back 2013 ya bete mogi
I remember
toja tukakora medical camp egetonto. We did a medical camp misesi tukakora medical camp egetuki. I remember a couple of friends waitu tukaruga 2016 tukaenda tukakora medical camp Nyamira.
Yes.
Ekene kia mwana ngiringa abantu baitu mbaruarite. Na serikali yetu tinete gotenga teri gakora kirie kunyara nende tukakora kirie kunyara gokonya abantu. Lakini organization teyo gose institution teyo gose mundu tayo yo mora akore mechandere nse. So ekera abantu bakubwaterana onyorenge mechanderi ya usuire.
So what is your motivation?
My motivation no going to go to giving back to the community. Again to mbwate covenant na Nyasaye. Ekero na imogete watch America. Kero mundu kero kwa reko and embassy ngwa wate what kwanda na Nyasaye. So personally na kwanda na Nyasaye onenga the moment I get an opportunity I will give back to the community. That is what motivating me to honor and respect the covenant. Na ruto just Nyasaye.
So far ngakiwete no fulfilling a waikera ni ireyo.
It is very fulfilling completely because tinda kora baka senta getengike. But amana Nyasaye kora no monto yomo. One person ngokonye kire. Na bono to about medical camp last week ya maino. Elino likoli you know abantu bale batana kuri unelino. Elino likoli kutukuto korara. The pain yomuntu. The pain yomuntu wate elino liwatia gutwara ekoba equated na peni yo musubati koyura okobina so ego elino negento geteke tutakero take care of. So last week ndo bata medical camp ya maino yesterday tonye bata libenjo yesterday ndo bata medical camp alia Nyansakia na matomba gete bakaruariwa. So umuntu yo mukuru ari kurusu eri na ikubu yake ende boye that is so fulfilling. Ekine ndo yese ke gongisa ne kinche. Yo that does manje ndo ali bonsi pima na kuisaneka. Bon go already ningisa ngetenga neki abantu batakire at least umuntu yo mo bozababere bakonye kire.
Wow, that's wonderful. Kero konyango wekera ni ire osoko gani kwao. It's fulfilling. Ono nga yorote politics na ogokonya abantu nakubore the last time ngambare bakwigubuya mbare bakwigubobe unembuya actually ne naro ya mwanya bantu.
Yes.
Politicians abaron the ground into bwate abagambi to bwato mujumbe to bwata ba tote abarai ni kwa jumla nkoko kera barengani yegosho abakororanga kero kini nkokorore bintu kubabwa bahanze gukurwana
ontri kiro monto. The truth nearly nanguburinde chikora 2022. That is the truth. That is the truth. But gonda tote banga na bande mbaro baso kire bakuburi chikura. Njengo burinde chikora chubo 2022. Na ande kaninyo ali baganta yabantu why. But I can say you for a fact ngori ginde chikura chabo machaga chake 2022. Again, the Canada whatever, Tarinji began kuburi chikura echo. Abantu nabange bakuburi.
Nabande basoke.
Nabande baje basoke.
Yeah.
Again, the Canada whatever, Tarinji began gokora ebintu bomachoga chache. Kiro muntu nande gokora ebintu asakonyara bomachoga. Nande gonda whatever nga ubuno buya ujya saba machoga bamintu.
Oh yeah.
konya na retre medical camp ondo chiro wagachire echo ikonero give it back to the community nanye na give it back to the community wetera se na bono kora wheelchair kora ibintu beach school bono no chinenge to medical camp we're giving back to the community odatiga te kota biga abana nje baitona bangaini you know mbare bogo distinguishing ngokore gente kana kisiasa na ngotare kana kisiasa tindaro so far mwana siasa o ongorokiri ngana igwete bobe konyo ndinaro ka igwete bobe tinamanya igonda ta yongorokiri ngana igwete bobe nga ngortore medical camp
egekogera nyanga nyango butore network to bwata chinga kinda bakorora ngatiga to komotebia baise kuigubobe bona bari bagotinga mangana mbiaro on the ground ibintu bire different like bona wachira on the ground nga kiugweta bantu nkokotebi bari gose bagotenga unde tarakana unde tara murungania abantu ngore murungani bari you know bantu muri bakure murungani gekare which is normal in politics bari bagoja bate bangangyo ko medical camp inega sitekere ko rune county abantu bate bangangore bintebi kara siasa ndigere tu chimutu so abande bate bambuye mona so tokonya but igonda te bate baiga abantu bakuru ari ko medical camp ngokora monta yo sabu ID abodu nga yoruete abantu ngoja bari baruari kwa bande baruete even outside machoge chache constituents no you have just answered that
abantu nguru bari isiko unabone medical camp toja gukora machoge bas ward unade ngujitangasa tore turuchi media chino ke tu atangasire anybody ogocha tari usabuka bande nga inchuga why am I saying this ngota baga saying encho gente konya toko yakola singa jechikura unanga abantu bagocha to bako muri to matenga make sure wato akire kura bata abantu manyeti bata abantu manyeti semba wato akire kura into what we're doing osinchige ntongo korani team yane intunto ndete ku give back to the community ekire goja gwikanga bono to chakire gokora campaign untiri ndokore campaign bono nabantu to kurwari